Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Right there, got a socket, I can cup you a new Rari.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine. But first, I'm going to need y'all to go like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Just 4 things you gotta do. And I know y'all see this mess up here, but oh, I can't see myself. Like I said, we're gonna get started. Okay, so right now I'm in my bathroom. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I use, which is, I got it to focus. So this will be the step 1. Step 2, which is the shampoo. This is step 3. Okay, I tried to get the best angle as possible. Okay, y'all. So once your hair is wet, there you go. I use step 1. Massage your hair, makes you wanna swear to the Jesus. Okay, so my hair is rinsed out with that, actually let me read what this is. Bond Mentor Pre-Treatment Breakage Defense. So I use that, and now I'm gonna grab my phone right quick. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on 10 minutes and start. Ken, or this little timer. So go ahead. All right, time. Ooh, hold on, back it up. Time to rinse. Hi, I'm going baby on baby. Can I switch up the tempo on you? Can I switch up the tempo? Baby, baby, I see it's almost time. As y'all saw just then, I rinsed the, I rinsed the shampoo out of my head. Now time for the worst part ever, but we'll get to that in just a minute. Now we're off to conditioning, step 3. So y'all, all I'm gonna need is this, and then a brush. Let y'all see that. Focus, it can't never focus. There you go. Rubber band and a comb. I don't know how to clean that. So first, I'm gonna part your hair. I'm gonna put this side up. I'm gonna put some conditioner in this side of my hair. So,
this is the sound.
what you do is just detangle with your brush, and when you detangle, start from the bottom. Don't start from the top, because that's how your hair can break off. All of them detangled, pretty much detangled. I take them out and I put it in one big braid, because when I rinse it out, I don't want these twists coming down and it'll get even more detangled. Wanna be your man? I wanna be your man. All right, we're gonna do this side, and yeah. Let me show you how much hair I lost just combing. Sorry, but I forgot to tell y'all to make sure y'all y'all rinse the conditioner out your hair with cold water. Okay guys, so look at my braids. Okay, so first, I put this coconut milk all around. And this is what I like to use right here. I just put that on all over. This is really just a, it's a curl quench. Curl milk, yeah. It's a curl quench and curl milk. So I put that. I barely got no more of this, so get some more of this. So I put that all around. Now this is what you really need because I really use this and it helps a lot. I don't know how to say it. I think it's Maui. I don't know how to say it. Moisture, Curl Quench, and Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. Leave-in conditioner, Cantu, and then this is just a coconut curl cream. So I hope y'all can see that. So yeah. But all I'm doing is just parting my hair. Detangle it one more time. Just gonna take it across the moon. And I use argan oil. Alright, so first I get both the Cantus and I just mix it together. This is the Curl Quench. And last is this gel. You're just gonna twist. You're gonna do the same thing. So mix the two Cantu creams, which is the leave-in and the leave-in and the curling cream. I say cream. Then the Curl Quench and gel. And now twist. And then you just repeat for the rest of your hair. Alright y'all, that's the end of that video. And why did I say the end of that video? Man, let me stop playing with y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna check tomorrow and y'all gonna see how these came out. And yeah, did I tell my camera went dead? I think I told y'all, but yeah, see you in the Tomorrowland. Hey guys, it's the next day and I had a bonnet on last night and I'm gonna be showing you guys my results. Okay, I'm finna show y'all how they came out. Oh. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you tried it, I hope your results came out similar to mine, because I'm sorry, excuse me. I hope your results came out similar to mine. You know, everybody don't have the same hair type, so yours might be different. But make sure you go give this video a thumbs up and make sure you go subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.
Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad.